Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our news channel. We're so excited for your supporting our news channels. Please like, share, leave a comments, and subscribe for more updates. Breaking news from Juba, South Sudan. This is Naath Global News with a developing story shaking the region. President Salva Kiir and Dr. Riek Machar side by side, overlaid. International ultimatum. Release Machar or face isolation. In a dramatic escalation, global powers have delivered a clear ultimatum to President Salva Kiir Mayardit. The African Union, IGAD, and the United Nations Security Council have jointly demanded the immediate and unconditional release of Dr. Riek Machar Teni Durgan, who remains under house arrest. The Peace and Security Council has declared deep concern, warning that South Sudan's refusal to comply will lead to suspension from the IGAD, and even the UN Security Council. This would not only isolate South Sudan diplomatically, but also undermine the nation's legitimacy and destabilize the fragile peace process under the Revitalized Agreement. The world sees the ongoing detention as a threat to peace, progress, and regional stability. With time running out, the international community awaits Kiir's response. Will South Sudan stand with peace, or risk becoming a nation cut off from the world? Naath Global News outro with social media handles and subscribe now button. Yeah.